We acknowledge that this film resource is being created on the lands of the Gadigal people. We pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging of this land and extend our respect to all of the lands and people where you may be viewing this on. Hi, my name is Amy Phillips. This video is going to talk you through your device kit experience, focusing on the Apple iPad device kit. You might be new to using iPad, maybe you haven't used one in your classroom or at school, or maybe you haven't used an iPad for a long time. So let's get you up to speed with the kit and the wonderful ways you can use your iPads in your classroom today. The iPad Device Experience Kit comes with a set of student iPads that are 64 gigabytes and one 256 gigabyte device for teachers. The kit also comes delivered with charging equipment, stands, headphone jacks, and one of my favourite things about using iPad in the classroom, a set of Apple Pencils. An Apple Pencil allows you to be as creative as you like using apps to hand draw or illustrate your work, take notes, or even explore tools that will turn your writing into text. But for teachers, an Apple Pencil also provides you with a great tool to provide feedback on student work, provide visual and explicit explanations, and mark up student work samples. This might be the first time you have used this many iPads in your classroom at once. Make sure all devices have equal charge before starting your lesson. Allocate a device for each student or per 2 students to ongoingly use for lessons. For teachers, explore the use of the Apple Classroom app to manage student devices across this lesson or throughout the day. This app also helps you share resources with students and completed work with your teacher using the iPad's AirDrop function. To learn more about Apple Classroom, visit the T4L website. When you are starting off your lesson, the most important thing is to make sure you are logged into the DoE network and the Internet at the Edge login using your username and password. This will allow you to access important tools via your portal, as well as browse easily and safely across websites and apps. Don't save your work on the device directly. Ensure you take advantage of the cloud storage offered within your student portal or your school's preferred platforms to manage who can see, collaborate, and access your files. We have all the resources to help you utilize your cloud drive solutions, whatever ecosystem your school uses. Be conscious that some online tools require parent or guardian permission to use and will require a signed permission form. WeVideo, Tinkercad, and Canva all fall into this category. It's time to start using your iPads. There are many different apps to explore that have been preloaded onto your iPad. Take some time to explore. iPads are ideal for moving across different workspaces, allowing you to select and choose different tools, programs, and apps that allow you to learn best. It is also a great idea to take advantage of the assistive and inclusive tools in the accessibility options to explore how you can customize your iPad to suit how you learn. But the best thing about using iPad is that it allows you to be creative in many ways. If you want to be a filmmaker, a podcaster, a music creator, or a game designer, an iPad gives you the power to channel your innovative thinking and creativity. Get started with some of our iPad-focused student learning experiences and challenges at the STEM T4L Learning Library. For further support, visit Viva Engage and check out the stem.t4l page.